concert for young mothers with Korea's favorite band, Deep, featuring XLR8 and the Pop Girls.
At ngayon, Pia, kasama natin ang Korean sensation na si Kim Hyun Jung! Hello, Kim Hyun Jung. Welcome to Itbulaga. Welcome to the Philippines.
Kumusta po kayo?
Wow! Hindi na pala kailangan ng interpreter, pero tawagin na rin natin si Laura.
The interpreter. Hi, Laura.
Hi, Laura.
How are you? Welcome to Itbulaga. Tanong natin, is this your first time in the Philippines, Kim?
네, 필리핀은 정말 처음인데 정말 따뜻한 나라인 만큼 여러분들도 따뜻한 것 같아요. 그리고 내일 있을 아레이타 콜로세움에서 싱글만 콘서트를 하니까요. 여러분들도 많은 관심 부탁드리겠습니다.
Thank you for coming here today, and then thank you for welcoming all of you in front of me. And I hope to see you soon at the Araneta concert for the unwed mothers and children tomorrow on June 19 at Araneta. Thank you so much.
Kim, are you surprised? Are you surprised?
Actually, he's very surprised that all of you will welcome him. He's very happy. And now, we're gonna say bye.
So June 19 na po, mga Dabarkads, 8 p.m. at the Araneta Coliseum.
For tickets, you can call Ticketnet at 911-5555 or Viva Concert at 687-7236 or Abierta's House of Friendship 724-3969.
Brought to you by Underwood Plan Entertainment and GMA7.
Last, Kim, is there anything that you would like to tell your fans here in the Philippines?
Kamsahamnida, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Laura. Thank you, Kim.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
At Dabarkads, maya-maya lamang makikita niyo na